Good day everyone. I am Makabangon Q. Dadya. I will report the case of People of the Philippines versus Pedro Crisostomo et al. GR number 19034, February 17, 1923, 46 Phil 775. Article 267, Kidnapping and Serious Illegal Detention. Any private individual who shall kidnap or detain another or in any other manner deprive him of his liberty shall suffer the penalty of reclusion perpetua to death. The elements of kidnapping or serious illegal detention are: number 1, that the offender is a private individual; 2, that he kidnaps or detains another or in any other manner deprives the latter of his liberty; 3, that the act of detention or kidnapping must be illegal; 4, that in the commission of the offense any of the following circumstances is present. Letter A, that the kidnapping or detention lasts for more than 5 days. B, that it committed simulating public authority. C, that any serious physical injuries are inflicted upon the persons kidnapped or detained or threats to kill him are made. D, that the person kidnapped or detained is a minor, female, or a public officer. The facts of this case is that after 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning of December 26, 1920, Macaria Gabriel, the offended party, and the accused Pedro Crisostomo were found in the barrio of Salinas, Municipality of Bacoor, Cavite. Neither is it disputed that the other accused were there on that occasion. The evidence shows sufficiently and beyond a reasonable doubt that while Macaria Gabriel and her aunt Candida Acuña were walking in the direction of their houses from that of Gregoria Acuña, to whom Macaria had paid the sum of 30 pesos. The accused met them on the way, and Pedro Crisostomo, Lorenzo Alcoba, and Casimiro Garde, who were with the accused, dragged Macaria Gabriel along and took her against her will to a rice field. Macaria Gabriel, not having been able to prevent it against those people who maltreated her in such a way, while the other dependents, Segundo Espiritu Primitivo Alcuba and Bartolome Cagyat, caught hold of Candida Acuña, thus preventing her from helping her niece until another woman, Gregoria Acuña, attracted by the cries of Candida, repaired to the place and, with a club with which she was provided, attacked those who were holding Macaria Gabriel, and they lastly released her. As soon as Candida Acuña was released by her aggressors, she went to the house of Macaria Gabriel and reported the matter to the latter's brother Constantino, who ran after the abductors of his sister, overtaking them when they had just released her, which they did upon seeing Constantino. The issue of this case are the accused guilty of kidnapping or abduction. It was held that the classification of the crime committed was illegal detention defined and punished in Article 481 of the Penal Code. Article 481 of the Penal Code, any private individual who shall lock up or detain another in any manner deprive him of his liberty shall suffer the penalty of prison mayor. Therefore, the appellants found guilty without any mitigating or aggravating circumstance of the crime of illegal detention. Pedro Crisostomo, Lorenzo Alcoba, and Casimiro Garde as principals, and Segundo Espiritu Primitivo Alcoba and Bartolome Cagyat as accomplices. And each of the first three above mentioned is sentenced to 8 years and 1 day of prison mayor with the accessories of the law provided in Article 61 of the Penal Code. And the three appellants lastly mentioned to 2 years, 4 months, and 1 day of prison correctional with the accessories of the law provided in said Article 61 of the Penal Code. Each of the appellants shall pay his proportionate part of the cost of this instance. Thank you.